Yeah, so I accidentally activated the sticky keys and it ruined the, or I planned to ruin. I wanted to start over with the recording, but unfortunately because 30 seconds had already gone by since I'd loaded into the save, that it took away a whole karma level. I fucking hate that so much. Eh. Oh my god, okay. Whatever. Anyways, last time we were in Shoreline, and now we're going to the spooky scary place. I mean, all the places are kind of spooky scary, but... Shut up! Come on, let me through. Please. Many thanks. Actually, do I even need to save my place here? Might as well. Why not? We'll find plenty of food later. Plus I can just get that cargo back. Oh wow, seriously, cutscene here? Rip. Poor little Scug. There we go, okay, we got the same, that's good. Because I was hopping from one place to the other. Staring at that spear like he knows what he's gonna do with it. Do you have a target in mind, little slug cat? Ooh, there we go, there's food. Sorry, I forgot where all the food spawns. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, okay. Jumping grab. Ooh. Wait, do I have something in here? Do I, This leg was jittering a lot there. Okay, I already have a pearl. I'd like to see where this goes. Oh yeah, there's a lot of scavengers in this one, like there was in garbage wastes. You know, it's going to be a target-rich environment. Ooh, shaded Citadel. Nomedy, 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 nom. You know what this place reminds me of? Those. This is the Nether from Minecraft, you know, with like the big bridges and stuff. Come on, there we go. Ooh, a person, a slug cat, there you go. I guess it would be a person to us, because, I mean, this guy, because he's a slug cat. Is that a job? I don't think that's a job. I think this is fine. Yeah, no, this is fine. Actually, why would I test that out? Stupid. Yo. Is music kind of a jam? I'm not leaving until every single one of these guys is free. All the ones that I know of will be free. There you go. Alright, okay. Go down here. To this left. Let's see where this takes us. That is not the way. You know the way. No, I don't know the way. Come on. Okay, this is the way. But gentlemen, we gotta take this very carefully. This isn't the same guy who heard us before, so we're just that's the wrong one. So we're just gonna be very careful here. We go down here. Hello. Yes, I know you want pearl. There you go. There's pearl. Thank you. Seriously? Okay. I guess I'll take this. I'll accept this. One of these pieces of garbage in this light source, even though I am a light source at this point. Thank you regardless. Actually, I think I'd feel more comfortable with this beer, and I know where to get that. Wait, can I not? Oh, okay. I can't go back up there. I might as well just keep moving forwards. God, I'm gonna see. I mean, if anyone here has played or seen Rain World before, up to this point, you're gonna know what we're gonna find down here. And these adorable little mice are not the only things. Hello. Excuse me, don't mind me. Ooh, or be scared and run away. Maybe your fear will be your downfall. Maybe it won't. Find out now by running away from me. Okay. Want to make sure that this is the first thing we throw. Whoop. No. Whoop. No. Whoop. There we go. Okay. There we go. There we go. Alright. And then up here. There we are. Okay. Yeah, I'll run to the scavenger or something. Oh. That's not a bad fly, I think. I don't think that's a bad fly. Oh, it is. Oh, it is a bad fly. Okay, good. Wait, if that's a bad fly, can I just catch him? He's going back and forth. Camp the entrance. Alright, well, we're full enough, and the day's almost over, so we've gotta go. Pick up that lovely piece of garbage, and oh, wait, there's another scavenger down there. I don't have another parole, so don't know how this is gonna go. I mean, everything seems tranquil right now. Seems to be the safe spot for most creatures down here. Whoa! Oh god, I see another one up there. Whoa! Excuse me, sir. I have a divine mission. I must save the souls. Oh! No! It's that! It's there! It's here! It's following me! It's going. Oh, I don't like you. I don't like you at all. Oh, no, I don't. Be gone. The divine light demands of thee. Oh, come on. Okay. I guess I'm not really, Oh, no, we are. There we go. We rescued him. Hello. Oh, hi. Okay, sorry, Scav, you're on your own. I don't have a bomb or anything. So, no, don't go back up there. Go down here. Okay. Go. This reminds me of another portion of the game we're gonna have to, go through very soon. Okay, oh, okay, just keep going this way. Oh, it was just a straight shot, okay. 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 Oh! Y'all just saw that, right? I feel like I'm playing. I don't know what I feel like I'm playing. I guess just Rain World. Rain World. It's there. It's there in the darkness. It's there. Oh, there's another one. Whoa. Go away. Divine light demands of thee. Okay, I think they're pretty harmless by themselves. I need to know. Okay, no. Oh, food. I thought it was only found in another place of the game. Pebbles, is it? If you know, you know. Strange spaghetti stuff. Oh, there's something else here, and it's not a mouse. There. Wait. What? Oh, it's you guys. I thought. I didn't know I found you guys down here. Die. Actually, no. That was a bad idea. I need to go through. I need to keep going. Yeah, I thought those didn't sound like a massive collection of spiders. Go that way. Oh. Oh. The divine light of God! Oh, I threw the wrong thing away. And now I've just... There you you go. Okay, that sounded like it hit something really soft. Oh, I am without the divine light. I think. Or, I don't know which light they're scared of, or if they're scared of light at all. But, yep, down here. Whew. Okay, that was scary. I'm just deliberating on whether I should continue. Because even though it'd be a short episode, I'm thinking, you know, would it be like, could I do this like FNAF? Like night 1, go into the funny place. Night 2, you know. No, I'll continue. We have nothing but the light of the rainwood gods. Even then, I don't know. I mean, this is shaded Citadel, so probably. Oh, okay. Searching around for anything you can pick up. Oh, okay. Oh, yo. No. There you go. You never know when that shadow moving around in the dark is not a result of you. Oh god, I've disturbed them. Is not a result of you moving around. Okay. Oh, they know how to make a horror game. God, they know how to make a horror game. What's down here? This almost looks like the right way. Is this the right way? I actually don't know. Yeah. I've just hit something. Okay, yep, I'm not going that way. I am solidly not going that way. Just want to avoid the top right corner of this map. This little room here, and we should be fine. I can see something being lit up. I don't know what that is. Grab this rock. Okay. Cycle might be a bit shorter. What is that? Oh, I can see them. They stalk me in the darkness. But I stalked them too. I can see something traveling between those two mini node things very quickly. Pretty good explanations to what that would be. Oh no! I jumped. Okay, that's. Oh damn it. Okay, I really no. Go away. Okay. I missed the jump. I've fallen into a pit of spiders. No, I don't think that's a centipede. Hey, no! Back! Light of God demands that you stay back. Bitch! Bitch! Back. 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 Okay, well, I'm gonna juke it. I'm gonna... Oh! No, I know I should have... Oh, it jumped down! It jumped down! Oh. Yes. Yeah, okay, where are we? Oh, spear. Bitch. Get back. Wait, unless... No! Damn you. Okay. Whoop. No, that didn't work. Okay, they're pretty much harmless when individual. When there's just individual... Wait, how do I get up from here? I can't. Son of a bitch. No. Bad. No, bad. Oh, okay, they just murdered me instantly. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I genuinely thought that they were gonna strangle me to death or something. I thought I was going the right way? Hi. No further comment needs to be made on what is up there. Hi. Be gone! Be gone, you foul creatures of the... Fuck. Okay, we can still get out of this. Just gonna eat this. Be gone, I demand of you. Bat! 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 Be gone, foul beast. Or beasts. Be gone. I Ow. I demand of you. Ow. Oh, God, okay. Can I just grab you? Can I eat you? Can I be the predator now? Can I be in the food chain? No, bat! I demand of you. I'm just going for it. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, I don't know how to... Yeah, you can't get over there. Am I stuck here? Am I actually just stuck here? That can't be right. Alright. Back! Back! Alright. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea how I'm gonna get out of this one. No, don't jump yet. Hi. Bat. Get back! Get back! Back! You shall not pass. Actually, no, I'm gonna cheek you instead. It's chasing me. It's chasing me. No, don't jump again. Okay, no. No, bad. Goodbye. Go away. Oh, juke you. Oh, it's just good. Whoop. Yeah, again, I can't, Great mist. Great, well, yeah, I guess I just reload that. Yeah. I see shit clearly now. You. Oh, okay. Oh, hi. I forgot I have to get past you. All of you. Oh, wait. Is that a bad place? Is this a bad one now? God, these shadows, they look like spiders on the walls. Yes, thank you for conveniently falling down there. Come over here. I promise I will not hurt you. What is that? Oh, that's a pearl. I see. Can I? No, I mean I'm not hunter, so. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, you bitch! How dare you? How dare you exist in the presence of God? Existence of a slug cat. That's right. Back. Back, you foul bitch. Come on. Alright, well, thank you for leaving me alone. Okay, that's not gonna work. Oop, oop, oop. Oh wait, no, I completely forgot. Lol. What are you afraid of, little mouse? Hmm? You're not supposed to be terrified until I show up! Oh, I now see why you're scared. Oh god. You bitch! You spineless invertebrate. Collection of invertebrate, I think. Come on. There we go. Back! Oh, that connected with something. Alright, screw it. I'm going back the way I came, didn't I? Yeah, I'm going the right way. We don't have much, but we don't have long. Dun 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 dun. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, you're dead. Okay. Oh, I remember this now. There used to be a pit full of spiders, and now the pit has crawled out of the... Back. Back. Into the shadows whence thy came. No, not the way I want to go, you bitch. Get out of my way. Get out. Back. Back. Into the darkness. Back. Ow. Oh, God. Oh, it's coming for me. Oh. No. Bad. Bitch. That's right. That's right. Bitch. Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay, can you drop this guy? Oh, I can't pick you up. Okay. Is that Mama Spider dead? Better be Mama Spider dead. It's not Mama Spider. It's not dead. Whoop. There you go. Do I remember this at all? Hope I do. Oh, are those bat flies? Oh, they are. Bat flies. Bat flies. Oh. Ah! Okay, I'm going to go into this one, and then I'm going to go... not go anywhere, so I'm just going to wait for the next episode. That's right. We're going to, in the next episode, we shall continue forwards on the right path this time. Or, I guess the straightest shot. I wasn't doing that before, because I didn't really want to rely on the map. And the reason why I had that map before is because apparently it was from my previous gameplay. Previous game, you know. But yeah, that'll be it for this episode. I shall see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much for watching, and goodbye.